When Adults Changes, Everything Changes by Paul Dix upends the debate on behavior management in schools and offers effective strategies that serve to end the search for change in students and turn the focus back on the adults.
You can buy the best behavior tracking software application, introduce 24/7 detention or scream, no excuses as often as you want, but ultimately the solution lies with the behavior of the adults. It is the only behavior over which we have absolute control over.
Consistency is key. Teachers should be consistent in their behavior expectations. Use routines and clear guidelines that students can understand and follow.
Positive relationships. Build trust with students by showing empathy and respect. Focus on relationships to encourage good behavior rather than relying solely on punishments. Calm and controlled responses. Stay calm when addressing poor behavior to avoid escalating the situation. Use non-confrontational language to de-escalate conflicts.
The importance of praise. Recognize and praise good behavior to reinforce it. Use specific and genuine praise to encourage students.
Behavior over time. Focus on long-term behavior improvements rather than instant results. Allow students to reflect and learn from their mistakes.
Restorative practices. Use restorative conversations to help students understand the impact of their behavior. Encourage students to take responsibility and repair relationships.
Visible consistency, invisible favors. Be visibly consistent in enforcing rules, but allow flexibility when needed in less obvious ways. Offer subtle support to students who are struggling without drawing unnecessary attention.
The 5 pillars of practice. Meet and greet. Start every interaction positively. Relentless routines. Use consistent routines for classroom management. First attention to best conduct. Give attention to good behavior first. Scripting. Difficult conversations. Prepare for challenging discussions with planned, calm language. Restorative follow-up. Ensure a resolution after behavioral incidents.
No shouting policy. Shouting should not be a part of behavior management. It can damage relationships and escalate issues.
Empathy and understanding. Understand the root causes of behavior. Use empathy to support students, rather than focusing only on punishment.
In conclusion, When the Adults Change, Everything Changes is an excellent resource for educators looking to transform their behavior management practices. These strategies align well with the Positive Behavior for Learning (PB4L) approaches of Miller Technology High School and are useful in diverse educational settings. Remember, the solution lies with the adults.